shooting with my phone right now. We need to go and get it. Whoa!
I'll call you very soon.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, no problem.
I heard you and I came running down. Hey, Zode, for huggies. Mission accomplished. So right now we are down here by the hill. For some reason we always come here whenever we're gonna record something or record sounds. Connor's over here setting up his microphone stuff so he can record some sounds for a short film, because down here it's nice and quiet, and you sometimes want wind, just so you have some like ambient sounds and those sound effects you're recording. But yeah.
So my setup for recording sound effects and audio is the Rode Blimp with the dead wombat, and I also have a Cinco shotgun mic over here, along with an XLR cable to plug into my Zoom recorder inside my bag, and I'll show you that here in a minute. So this is the Zoom H5 handy recorder, and it has two XLR ports over here and a microphone up here on the top. So anywhere you're gonna go, even if you're just gonna carry this around, it's great for recording audio without XLR cables, or just a shotgun mic, whatever kind of microphone that you're using that needs XLR cables. So my Zoom H5 recorder, it just screws right onto this over here. That way I'm able to have all my recording station in one area. Also over here, give me a minute, sorry. This right here is something that blocks out wind when your audio is super duper windy, and that is very bad when recording short films and that kind of thing. And this is also, the dead wombat comes in handy with blocking out all that bad sounds that you don't want in your audio. For monitoring the sound and recording, I have the DT770 Pros. These are like studio monitoring headphones. And you're definitely gonna want headphones when recording audio. You could possibly film an entire day, record an entire day of just bad audio, get back and not know it, and then boom, put it on your computer and listen to it, and it's just terrible. Just annoying ambience, trucks going by, just really annoying sounds that you don't want inside of your films. So on my recorder here, I have a gain knob, which allows me to make it super duper quiet, where the microphone has to be right up on your subject in order to record any sound, or I can adjust the gain to make it super duper high and record sound from a very wide range. But the perfect gain for me is right between 6 and 5. I think that is perfect, and you'll be able to record from quite a distance. That way you still have that ambience, and you'll still be able to record what your subject is saying. So after you finish that whole process, you'll be able to record your sounds.
Well, look who showed up.
Also say ambience.
So the sounds we are mostly gonna be recording today is gonna be thunder, which we're gonna try to use as the zinc or just roofing type thing. I don't really know what it's called in America. That's what it's called here. We're going to be recording ambience, whooshes, and I think footsteps also. But Sully's here to help us also, and we're gonna go ahead and get recording. It's starting to get a little late. I think it's like 5:30 or something. Sun's starting to go down, I think, but we still can have some time to film some sound effects.
Ambience is probably the easiest sound to record, because all you do is just sit there and press record. Whoosh sound effects are very important when recording audio as well. Here's an example of a transition without a whoosh sound effect, and one with. So there's tons of ways to record whooshes, but for what I like to do a lot of the time is just blow into the microphone and just move my head around, just make the whoosh sound effect with your mouth. And it works a lot, especially once you do some editing in post. But another way to get whoosh sound effects is if you swing an object around just trying to record that whoosh. So when it comes to recording footsteps, you're gonna wanna record it separately. So one footstep, wait a little bit, one footstep. That way the editor will be able to match that up in post with other footsteps. Now, you're also gonna wanna record footsteps on a whole bunch of different types of terrain. So dirt will have a completely different sound than concrete floors, or tile floors for that instance. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna get some footsteps on rocks, dirt, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so now we're gonna try to record some thunder sound effects for a series that we're gonna make with our friend Aiden. You've seen it in the last vlog, vlog 5 I think, so there's a card up here if you wanna watch vlog 5. But anyways, what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to incorporate this sheet of zinc or metal over here and kind of wave that around, trying to get a thunder sound effect.
If you ever need a helper to help you record these sound effects, just hire Sully.
Yeah, I constantly make noise.
So I'm gonna go ahead and pack up my stuff. Now, I'm also gonna be putting out a video in the future about how to make a sound library. So if you're interested in that, just wait a little bit more and hopefully I'll get that video out to you guys.
Instead of in like last vlog that you saw, it was insanely rainy. Right now it feels great. It's nice and cool. It's not insanely hot. And it's starting to get pretty late. I think we're gonna have to go home soon. We got back from recording the sound effects, and now Santigie brought a bike, and now we're gonna have a challenge to see who can do the best tricks, and whoever fails loses. First trick is Santigie. Let's go.
That's a trick.
Doesn't touch a small boy. I need a stepping stone. Okay, go. Ah!
There's always on Amazon for a stepping stone, guys.
No, it's not.
No, it's not the style.
Not this kind. Well,
Okay, here it is. I don't know. That's just gonna hurt me.
That's why you don't be dumb and try to do these things. Ooh. So the point of this is someone creates a thing to do on the bike, and the next person tries to do that. If they can't do it, then whoever created that thing gets the point. Santigie, you just got a point. Look at that! He did it twice! That's double the points! Oh!
Okay, that's enough of that game. I won. Everyone knows I won. It's simple as that. We're just gonna move on. It is now time to go home. Santigie.
Bye.
Hello. Hey, doggies. Puppies. Hey. That's the end of today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching it. It was a lot of fun making and just doing the stuff that we did. And we will see you in the next one. So, bye, I guess. So, you gonna leave? No? Okay.